In this video, I solve this algebraic equation to find the x. Equation is that 1000 power 2x minus 1 over 50 is equal to 20. Find x. Solution. Very interesting algebraic equation I solve here. Okay. Solution. Equation is that 1000 power 2x minus 1 over 50 is equal to 20. Okay, now here 50 here divide. If I shift this 50 right hand side, it will multiply with 20. Okay, 100,000 power 2x minus 1 is equal to 20 multiplied by 50. Okay, now 1000 power 2x minus 1 is equal to 20 multiplied by 50 is 1000. Okay, now here the power of the 1000 is 1. Okay, now see here base is same 1000. If both side base is same, then power of the both base will are equal. Both side base is same, then power equal to each other. Now I can write as here base cancel with each other. 2x minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, now 2x I shift 1 right hand side, 1 plus 1 here minus here is 1 is minus 1. If I shift right hand side plus 1, 2x is equal to 2. Now x is equal to 2 divided by 2. Okay, x cancel with x is equal to 1. The way I find x, the value of x is 1. Okay, answer. Please subscribe my channel and like the video.